What if you could finally have that extra bedroom you desperately need, or a dedicated home office? A backyard large enough for both a pool and a vegetable garden without leaving the GTA. I'm Pam Bouchard, your local York Region and South Simcoe realtor. If you're looking for real local insight, then follow the description in the video below and you'll find everything you need. I've included a free home evaluation tool, guides for move-up buyers, buyers and sellers, and the latest market stats, all free to you to explore. If you're curious about what your home might be worth in today's real estate market, just scan the QR code or follow the link on the screen. It's fast and easy, and my team will follow up with a simple hello to see if you need anything. And if you're just browsing, no pressure. We're here when you're ready. Today we're heading to South Simcoe, one of the best kept secrets for home buyers who want more space, more value, and a better lifestyle. Imagine your kids riding their bikes down quiet streets, playing outdoors until the sun sets. And you can sit on the front porch, not having to stress about space, traffic, or Toronto prices. If you're looking to leave the noise and the hustle bustle and predominantly the cost of the city behind, but still want quality schools, beautiful parks, and everyday amenities for your family to have room to grow, then South Simcoe might be precisely what you've been searching for. Communities like Bradford, Innisfil, Alliston, and Cookstown offer the rare mix of affordability, lifestyle, location, which makes them some of the fastest growing homebuyer destinations in the Greater Toronto Area in 2025. We are seeing an increasing number of young families and professionals who have the ability to work remotely, and even retirees making the move here. You are getting more home, quieter lifestyle, and absolute value, especially compared to Vaughan, Markham, or Richmond Hill prices. This graph illustrates the cost of a detached 4-bedroom home on a 45-foot lot that's less than 10 years old and approximately 2,500 square feet. In Bradford, detached homes represents a middle ground of modern 4-bedroom homes available between 1.2 and 1.45 million. But many include finished basements, double-car garages, and generous backyards. In communities like Alliston, you can still find semi-detached homes around $750,000, which are perfect for first-time home buyers. Innisfil offers a mix of townhomes and detached homes, new and old, near Lake Simcoe, even cottage-like properties. While in Beaton and Cookstown, you have rural homes on large lots offering a peaceful country lifestyle and vista view. You'll find a bit of everything. Bungalows with room to grow, modern builds in new subdivisions, and older homes with charm and character. And with home prices typically 20 to 25% lower to comparable homes in the other parts of the GTA, the value here is hard to ignore. Living in South Simcoe means connecting with space, nature, and community. You've got trails and dog parks in Scanlon Creek in Bradford. In Alliston, you have Earl Row Provincial Park, which has lovely trails, perfect picnic spots, lakeside views, and campgrounds only minutes away from the town of Alliston. And Innisfil Beach Park allows you waterfront activities. Whether you're hiking, boating, or just relaxing outdoors, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy your free time in South Simcoe. We have beautiful local restaurants, farmers markets, great recreational and competitive leagues, recreation centers that create strong communities, good mix of Catholic and public and Montessori school with a family-based emphasis. This is where people know their neighbors, where you can walk out without traffic, noise, and where kids have space to play. Now, let's talk about getting around. Bradford and Barrie have significant GO train stations connecting directly to Union Station. It's about an hour from Bradford and an hour and a half from Barrie. You've got Highway 400 and 404, which provide fast routes into the city. In Innisfil, there's this new development called Orbit. It is creating a new transit-friendly hub around the future GO station, designed for walkability and family, community. The balance here is solid, especially for hybrid workers who only have to go in a few times a week. You are still within reach of the GTA, but without the traffic density or the sprawl. And when your workday ends, you've got Lake Simcoe right here, boating in your backyard, ice fishing in the winter, and beautiful sunset walks all year round. It's like building a cottage lifestyle into your everyday life and routine. Let's be real, South Simcoe has much to offer, but it's not the end all for everyone. The pros, which we've discussed, are you're getting more house, more land, and a quieter lifestyle. You've got access to nature and a tight-knit community. And this community is growing daily with lots of local amenities. The significant challenges are in transit. It doesn't have the public system to get around. You still need a car to be independent here. Traffic gets very heavy on the 400 during weekends, and I don't even go on the 400 on a weekend. But if you're craving more space and balance in your life, South Simcoe offers an incredible alternative to GTA prices. It's only getting more popular. Are you thinking about relocating to South Simcoe? Whether you're upsizing, investing, or just dreaming of a change, I would love to connect and help you explore your options and make a confident move. So don't forget to check out your free home buyer guides and move up guides below. Please feel free to leave a comment and reach out to me if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more housing market updates, local neighborhood tours, and insider tips on living in York Region and South Simcoe. Till the next one.